Yo, what up, homies? This video is all about the bullish case for crypto. There's so many people that are super duper bearish right now. So I just want to show the bullish perspective. If you want a bearish perspective video, let me know down below. And of course, if you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you're a longtime fan, well, welcome. Let's get right into it. So the first bullish perspective is this bitcointreasuries.org. This right here showing all of the institutions that have previously bought Bitcoin. But as we know, when good old Elon Musk, Tesla, bought Bitcoin in January, we didn't find out until the first week of February. So I'm going to predict that there are a lot of these same institutions are buying right now. And I predict there's going to be a couple new ones that are buying right now, since with institutions, it takes forever for them to get their act together to actually pull the trigger and buy some Bitcoin. So I'm expecting this to happen. We'll probably find out 4 to 6 weeks from now. It's going to be interesting. I wouldn't be surprised to see Michael Saylor. He's the CEO of MicroStrategy Incorporated, which, by the way, they own the most Bitcoin out of any institution out there. I wouldn't be surprised for them to have bought at least another 10,000 Bitcoin. Would not surprise me at all. Watch out for that on Monday. He usually tweets it out. So I would not be surprised, guys. This is something that's going to happen. This is very, very bullish. A lot of the institutions don't want to buy at all-time high. Right now, we're around $50,000. Guess what? That's better than buying at $62,000. Another bullish sign is the crypto fear and greed index. Look at us falling down 37. And yesterday we were 55. Wow, we just keep smacking down because just last week we were extremely greedy, just greedy, so greedy at 76. But I do want to show the chart here. Let's go back an entire year. And we'll also show the max. So just looking at the max, look, previously our highest was 92 back in June 2019. We came up there, actually went higher up here a little bit back here, December of last year, early this year, came back up back in February, but smacking back down, holding some crucial support around 40 level on the fear and greed. So keep in mind, definitely watch out for that. Right now, we're trending down. We zoom into the year. Look, we're definitely trending down. We had a 94 there. Now made a high here of 79. But look where we're bouncing off of, right around 40, 37, 38, 40 right there. We do not want to break that. If we break that, things are not going to look good for the next few months. It will not look good at all. Hopefully, we can bounce back. But us being back down here in the fear, this is a good sign. This is the time to accumulate. You want to buy when it's fearful. When there's blood in the streets, that's the time you want to buy. So when people are fearful, you want to buy. I know I've said like 3 times, but it's because the fear is the time to buy. This is not the time to buy. When we're extreme greed, that is not the time to load up, back the truck up. But fearful states are. We could continue to go down lower. Just watch out for that. Like I said, it's not looking too good right there. But nonetheless, it's better buying today than it was 2 weeks ago. So moving on to the actual price, the chart of Bitcoin, we're currently around $50,000. I want to show you on the weekly chart, getting that long-term perspective. We have the Stoch RSI right here, stochastic RSI, and look at us right here. We kind of had a fake out. We kind of had a fake out here. As soon as we get back above the 20 level and the blue is above the red, that's typically very bullish. We were about to do it and then no, got rejected. So we're still heading down, not looking too hot. But when this thing turns around, gets back above the 20, we have the blue over the red. That's extremely bullish. We're going to have a nice parabolic move. And I mean, it's going to look good. We zoom out to the price action. Like just zoom out here. Let's get rid of that arrow. We're going to the moon. I mean, this is going to look good. We're going to have a nice swing to the upside, and price is just going to continue going up as we've seen right there. Of course, we had like some pullbacks here and there, and that's why it fell back down. But I'm waiting for that to happen. That's going to be super exciting. So keep an eye on that. And just looking at price action right now, let's go back to the daily in 1 second. The 21 weekly moving average is a big deal. I have the 20 up right here. We have not bounced off of it yet. I wouldn't be surprised to see us bounce off of it. And currently the 20 is right around $45,000. So just keep that in mind. But once we bounce off that, we want to hold as support and continue on. So keep an eye on that. And the daily, of course, things are not looking too hot here, not looking too hot. We need to get back above the 50 daily moving average. This is the first time we've done this bull run. But this was completely normal back in 2017. I've showed you guys that on previous live streams and previous videos. But this right here is not looking good. Our moving averages are getting all out of whack. We definitely don't want that. But at the end of the day, it just creates another great buying opportunity. When this thing finally does bottom out, which maybe it has, maybe it hasn't, only time will tell. We revert back up. If you would have bought back in here, definitely a great time. Obviously not a financial advisor, just my personal opinion. But yeah, so watch out for that. I know there's a lot of what ifs in this video. I know there's like, hey, that's not looking good. Hey, this is looking good. But at the end of the day, we know the big players, the institutions, they are buying up right now. They are buying up, but we don't find out until way later. Probably the fastest one we hear about is MicroStrategy Incorporated, simply because of Michael Saylor himself. So what is your opinion? Do you agree with the institutions? Are you liking that the fear and greed has dropped a lot? Let me know down below. And what do you think of the Stoch? What do you think of the moving averages? Do you think we're going to bounce? Do you think the bull run's over? Do you think the pi cycle is correct, that we're going to zero? Let me know. But I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday. And of course, if you're new here, smack that subscribe button, smack the like button if you guys like the video, and have a great rest of your day. But until the next video, may the gains be with you.